These are the instructions that Ranch Hand provides on their website. Start by removing the 4 screws at the top of the grill and the 4 clips at the bottom of the grill. Once the screws and clips have been removed or loosened, remove the grill from the front of the truck. Next, the Z-brackets will be mounted to the top outside bolts for the bumper. The vertical adjustment will be mounted to the bumper bolt, and the horizontal adjustment will be mounted to the grill guard. The instructions state to leave about a 1/4 inch between the Z-bracket and the top of the bumper. I used an Allen wrench to help maintain that space. Reinsert the outside bumper bolt and secure the Z-bracket. Once both Z-brackets have been secured, reinstall the grill with the 4 screws and the 4 clips removed earlier. At this point, pre-position the grill guard and get it ready to be installed. Next, remove the 4 bolts next to the tow hooks and rest the bumper on the tow hooks. Having a helper for mounting the grill guard really helps a lot. Even with that, we used a mechanic's stool, rested the grill guard on the stool, and adjusted the height as we needed. This made mounting the grill guard really quite easy. Once the grill guard is in place and ready to be installed, start with 2 of the 4 tow hook bolts on one side, then move to the other 2 on the other side. Next, install the hardware that came with the grill guard through the upper mounts on the grill guard and into the Z brackets that were installed earlier. Well, that is all there is to it. The Ranch Hand grill guard is now securely installed on the front of the truck. We think it looks great and hope we never have to use it, but if we do, we should be able to drive away instead of being towed away.